Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Golf. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got DAB digital radio as well as CD player and Bluetooth. On top of this there's air conditioning, automatic headlights, cruise control, and the car is only £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre diesel engine, it gives you 105 horsepower. The car's done under 52,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please